Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is my BMW 530D 2003 and the oil filter is stuck in this car. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll try to remove it. I would say if you're not sure how to do it, don't do it yourself. Get a professional to get it done. But this is how I'm gonna try to get mine removed. So let's see. Let me show you the oil filter, which is super stuck. So you can see that's the filter, and that needs removing. The top of this is broken and it's proper tight, so I have no other options. I've tried every possible way to take this out and it's not coming off at all. So the only way I think I can get it done is probably drilling it on one of this side and put a screwdriver in and twist it, and that is the only way I think I would be able to get this off. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So we'll be using the drill and screwdriver. So you can see now, so the oil filter cap is all broken, so we hammered it down with a screwdriver. So what we're gonna do now is of course break this part, and before that just want to show you this as well. So covered this bit with a plastic bag so nothing from here can go in there. So that's all out, you can see. It's all clean now. So this was the filter, we had to break it out. It needed change, I guess. It's not in its best condition. So the oil filter housing cap is out now. We did a nice clean as well, just made sure that nothing has gone inside. So this is not the best way to take the filter out. I mean, I would say if you're unsure, don't do it yourself. Just take it to a mechanic, let them have a look at it. But this is how I got mine done. I have already ordered my oil filter housing cap in eBay, and hopefully that should be coming very soon. Once I have that, I'm gonna get myself a new filter and I'm gonna do oil change in this car. Anyways, I'll see you guys for next video. Thank you for watching.